We all have dreams. We all have goals. These aspirations drive us forward, giving us purpose and direction in life. But sometimes, we need a little push to unlock our full potential. It's in these moments that we discover our true strength. The key? Believing in ourselves. Trusting that we have the power to overcome any obstacle. Believing we can achieve anything we set our minds to. This belief fuels our determination and perseverance. This is where the power of affirmations comes in. They are positive statements that reinforce our goals and dreams. Think of your mind as a garden, a place where thoughts and ideas take root and grow. What you plant in your garden grows. Nurture it with care and attention. Positive thoughts are like seeds of success. They flourish and bring forth abundance. Negative thoughts are like weeds that hold us back. They choke our potential and hinder our progress. Affirmations help us plant those powerful seeds of belief. They remind us of our capabilities and keep us focused on our path to success. Affirmations are simple, positive statements. They are declarations of who we want to be and what we want to achieve. These are not just wishful thinking. They are powerful tools to reshape our thoughts and beliefs. When we repeat affirmations regularly, we start to believe them. We start to see ourselves differently. We start to act differently. And as we change our thoughts and actions, we change our reality. Our minds are incredibly powerful, capable of shaping our reality. They believe what we tell them, especially when we repeat it consistently, day after day. This is the science behind affirmations, a practice rooted in psychology. By repeating positive statements, we reprogram our subconscious mind, altering our thought patterns. Imagine telling yourself every day, "I am confident," and truly believing it. At first, your mind might resist, clinging to old beliefs. But over time, with repetition and persistence, your subconscious mind starts to accept this new belief as truth. You start to feel more confident, noticing subtle changes in your behavior. You start to act more confidently, transforming your life in remarkable ways. Section 4. Everyday Affirmations for Success. The beauty of affirmations is their simplicity. They are easy to incorporate into your daily routine and can have a profound impact on your mindset. Here are a few examples you can start using today to boost your confidence and motivation. I am capable of achieving great things. This reminds you of your potential and encourages you to strive for excellence. I am worthy of success and happiness. Believing in your worth is the first step towards achieving your dreams. I overcome challenges with strength and determination. This affirmation helps you face obstacles with a positive attitude. I attract abundance and prosperity into my life. Focusing on abundance can help you manifest financial success. Find affirmations that resonate with you. Write them down in a journal or on sticky notes. Repeat them throughout the day. Consistency is key to making affirmations work. Say them with conviction and feel their power. Let the positive energy flow through you and transform your life. Section 5. Embrace the power of affirmations. Affirmations are not magic, but they are magical. They won't change your life overnight. But with consistent practice, they have the power to transform your self-belief, your actions, and ultimately, your reality. Start today. Embrace the power of positive affirmations. Plant those seeds of success in the garden of your mind. Watch as your life blossoms in ways you never thought possible.